You clicked on this video because you want to know how to lace, swap, and lace your Air Jordan 1 lows. So you came to the right video. I'm going to show y'all 2 different ways how to lace, swap, and lace your Air Jordan 1 lows. Now let's get into it. Yo, that's part 1, how to lace and lace swap your Air Jordan 1 low. You want to see part 2 and the second style or how to lace your Air Jordan? Let's run these numbers up and get 100 likes on this video. Also, I will have another video showing y'all how to wear and style your Air Jordan 1 lows with the lace swap. It's your average sneaker guy, but y'all know the average don't stand for average. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.